Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi guys, my name is Nonkoliseko Somaca and I'm the founder of Mega Consulting Agency. Consulting agency was found a month ago, which was in September. Due to a fact that I was working in corporate for various leading brands in South Africa that I'm not going to mention here, for 6 years in the digital marketing space. Then after I resigned a year ago, I started working with my brother at Izaza Eyewear in Long Street. We built the business from scratch up until to where it is right now. So we managed to open up 2 stores, one in Table Bay Mall and one in Long Street. So with that, I saw how good I am when it comes to marketing, not just in the corporate space, but also in my brother's business. So he was like, why not just start your own thing and start marketing other local entrepreneurs as well to the level where our brand is. It started off as selling from a car boot and to at the level now where we have our online store and we have our 2 stores that are in Cape Town. So why are we here? We are at the tea breakfast in Ekayelicha. So there's a lot of entrepreneurs that are coming by to network, to share their ideas and to get meaningful and conversations from Oput that have been on the market and those that have been on the market for so long. So why I think it's important to have these sessions here in Khayelitsha and not in town or in the CBD. It's exactly the reason why I left corporate. My main aim was to support local and to help local brands to get to the level where corporate businesses are. By doing initiatives like this, it helps Khayelitsha and people that have businesses to see their businesses in shelves, to see their businesses in spaces that they never thought that they would be. So I think this is a great opportunity for entrepreneurs, for people with visions that would love to see their businesses in the next level. Hi, my name is Umbalentle and I am a township entrepreneur.